healthy, and that will happen. He did put the sausage in, and let me take a spoon, y'all see what I'm talking about. He did put the sausage in, and right here, and he put the garlic and everything in, and it's okay. Okay, now,
Let's put it in.
make sure all on together then. Cover your mouth when you cough. Okay, that's good. Alright. Now, just hold tight. Let's get some beans to put in there, okay? Stay right there.
Like big beans?
Yep. We'll put big beans in there. See? This is Heinz baked beans. So that's what we're doing now, okay?
Let's dump it!
So, I am going to dump it. Don't rush me. Oh yeah. Nice and thick too.
Yeah, it's
Woo!
wow, that's a whole one!
Yeah, man. So
get more.
I'm getting more. I'm gonna mash. I'm putting them in there. Stir them up a little.
I want to stir it.
Not yet. Not yet, Joe. Not yet. Not yet, Bubba. Oh boy, I couldn't wait. This could be a nice baked beans with bell pepper. No, not bell pepper. Onion.
No.
All that in there.
What?
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
So put another can in. Here, pour a can. Take your time. Knock that right in. Take your time. Right over there. There you go. Yeah, come on, Jordan. There you go. Let me see. Yeah. Now, stir him up in there. Let me bring him up. Look at my boy. Look at my boy, y'all. Take your time, Jordan. Hold the spoon better than that. Hold the spoon better than that. Hold the spoon like this. Yeah. Come on, stop. Jordan, move one hand. And like that. Okay, I tell you what. Do that right there. There you go. Don't mash it. We're not doing a mashed potato. Okay? Let me show you do this. Down. Okay? Move. One hand. You're not doing mashed potato. Okay? You're not doing mashed potato. Trust me. Right now I'm gonna add a little water. Stay right there.
You got water?
Yeah, I have to add a
I
little
like
something.
water.
Okay, let me pull this in. Okay? Alright. I got it. You know, ain't got time for that. You know, the next time we make a video, then we'll make a video for fighting. Who cooked the best or who stirred the best?
Yeah, I am the bestest.
You are the best?
Yes.
Man. Really?
Yes.
I didn't know that.
I know the cook.
Oh, I know that.
I just need to cook something.
Like what?
I just need to cook.
Cook what though? What do you want to cook?
I want to cook fish.
Fish?
Yes.
I had fish this morning.
No, I'm cooking cornfish.
Cornfish? I never heard of cornfish.
Yes.
Oh, I never heard of
Let's
cornfish.
see who is the bestest.
Yeah, okay.
Who?
Alright. Okay, hold on a second. Now, what we're ready to do, hold a second. And, yeah, I'm going to adjust the camera again. Just one more time. There you go. I will adjust it. And, show what we'll be doing. Okay, now, what we're about ready to do now is put this in. Just, salsa on there. See that?
I got one too.
Yeah, he got one too. I'm gonna put that in there.
See?
Let me do my pack first. Wait a minute, Jordan.
And then I do mine.
Oh yeah. Sprinkle in there. Oh yeah. Right here, put together. Good flavor.
Okay, now mine's.
No, let me stir them up first. Let me get this thing started up. Woo! Smell good. If y'all have a smell vision, y'all will smell this right now.
Hello, we forgot mine.
This will be some good baked beans.
We forgot mine, Baba.
Come on, hey, come on, sit down. Hey. Super Bowl. Kansas City going on. Santa Kitty going on. All right, enough of that. Let me open for you.
Wait a minute.
Let me open for you.
Wait a minute, I know to open it.
If you whisk that bag, I'll let you lick the floor. Let me get it. Oh, okay. Look at that. Look at my grandson. Woo! That boy know what he's doing. Okay. Let's get a spoon. Come on, take your time. See how it does it. See? Go all the way in the bottom. There you go. Come on. Don't waste it. There you go. Come on. Alright, hold a second. Okay. What I'm trying to do, y'all, is add a little more season. I'm gonna add garlic pepper thing. That's what I put in there. Okay? See that there? I hope y'all see this.
Let's do it.
The lighting ain't too good, but it's alright. Hold on, y'all. Please let me do this. I'm gonna put a little bit in there. Not much. Okay? I put in cayenne pepper next. Okay? I want them nice and little hot and little. You know. My wife don't eat no beans. Okay, stir that, Jordan. This is Jamaican season, y'all. You don't have his way, but that's okay. But the video will be good, okay? We're showing you how you can fix. The guys, y'all will fix this tomorrow. Baked beans, sausage, mushroom, onion, all bell pepper, sausage, and garlic. Okay? Now, next one I'm gonna do, I'm put a red pepper in there. Stop stirring right now. Put a red pepper in there. Okay? Put a little red pepper in there. Alright? Bite your frills over. Very stir it up. Next, I'll put onion powder. Get that flavor too. Okay? He's doing a good job so far with it. He's doing a good job, y'all. He's stirring them up and everything. Okay? Now, let me stop a minute. You put the onion powder there. So, why you put all that in? Okay, never mind. He loaded. Let me do this one here. Onion powder on there. Okay. Stir them up. Now, what I'm about ready to do, and cheat a little. I'm going to put some hotter hot sauce.
Hot sauce?
Yeah.
No, that's hot!
Yeah, I know.
Don't eat that!
Yep, yeah, I ain't going to eat them. Yes, sir.
Because it's hot!
Yeah,
Hot,
too bad.
Hot!
Just your hot sauce. Just a hot sauce.
Hot.
See that? Tesco P.
And it's going to burn your mouth!
Yes, sir. Now, I can put them in there. Woo! I like it spicy. Yeah. Ah! Be a man. Take your time, John. Go in the bottom. Go in the bottom. All the way to the bottom now. Okay. Come on. Stop. Don't go too high because you'll waste it. Okay?
Okay.
I'm teaching this now. Because I want you to be on TV one day. Remember, you on TV now. What you talking about? How do I look at you? Look good?
It's good.
Huh?
It's look ugly.
Yeah, okay, whatever. Anyway, hold right there. Don't do no more.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I'm gonna put that someone down there. I'm gonna put my season. You can't read it too good, but it's foot. Called foot season. Hey! Foot season. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna put that in there right now. Yeah. Not much. That's it. Okay. Go in the bottom of it. What are you doing? Smell good?
Yes.
What we do, y'all?
Wait, don't
Like I say, what I'm gonna do is right now, y'all give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, and let me know y'all think about this video.
Oh, wait. Bye.
I'm trying hard to be patient with this little boy here. This little boy here, he okay. But anyway, I'm doing this right here for y'all. He's trying to help me best I can. But anyway, I'm happy. Let's go ahead and just do this thing here. And I'm going to see y'all again. And I hope I can show y'all how it looks. But I'll bring it to you right here towards the camera. Boom. And this is how I look, y'all. Okay? That's how I look. I'm going to go ahead and put them on high right now for about maybe 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours, it should be done. Then I'll show you all, okay? All right. For right now, go hit the subscribe button. Thumbs up if y'all like this video, okay? And from right now, God bless and thank y'all for looking at it. That is good. Oh, it is good. See, look. Oh, it's hot too. And go. Y'all let me know how y'all like this. Give me a thumb up. And please, y'all let me know y'all like this. Really look, okay? Do another taste. Okay. Another taste. Y'all give me a thumb up. Y'all like it. And that's it. God bless. Y'all take. Y'all have a blessed day. And y'all have a wonderful day. Goodbye, y'all.